The Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is equipped with 8 regular curriculum-oriented laboratories and 4 additional laboratories to train the students according to industry needs. The Electrical Circuit Analysis Lab. The lab is meant for second year BTech first semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering students. In this lab, the students can verify the electrical network theorems like Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, superposition theorem, reciprocity theorem, Milliman's theorem, etc. and also can find two-port network parameters, choke coil parameters, resonance both in series and parallel circuits, three-phase power measurement using 2-watt meter method for both leading and lagging networks. In this lab, to verify these theory concepts practically, we have CROs, function generators, regulated power supplies, breadboards, wide range of resistors, decade resistance boxes, decade inductance and capacitance boxes, digital ammeters, digital voltmeters, multimeters, etc. After completion of the lab, the student will gain confidence in using these theorems in learning and solving core subjects like power systems, electrical machines, power electronics, control systems, etc. related to problems. Electrical Simulation Lab. It is meant for 4th year BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering students in first semester. Here students will verify the theory concepts using MATLAB software. For this purpose, the lab is equipped with 40 computers of Acer version M200, G41 Intel Pentium dual-core 3.2 GHz, 2 GB DDR3 RAM, 500 GB hard disk, 120 keys keyboard, 2 buttons optical mouse with LED monitor. For the purpose of demonstration of each experiment, a projector with the projector screen is used. For doing the university prescribed experiments, MATLAB licensed software is installed in the systems. In this lab, students will perform experiments related to power systems, power electronics, control systems and electrical circuit concepts. After completion of this lab, the students are able to implement these simulation concepts in doing their final year projects and also in their further research. Power Systems and Simulation Lab. It is meant for 4th year BTech first semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering students. In this lab, some of the major equipment are tongue tester. It is the device used for measuring transmission line currents. Transformer oil testing device to determine the dielectric strength of the transformer oil. Sequence impedance of 3-phase transformer trainer kit to perform hardware experiments. And to perform software related power systems experiments, licensed MATLAB 2015A software is used. After completion of this lab, students are able to implement these concepts in doing their final year projects and in their future research. Power Electronics Lab. This lab is meant for 3rd year BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering students in their second semester. The main objective of this lab is to understand the operation of various power conversion devices, which includes the basic devices like MOSFET, IGBT, SCRs and their triggering and communication techniques. With the help of these devices, we can analyze the operation of single-phase, 3-phase converters, buck-boost and buck-boost converters for various resistive and inductive loads. The minor equipment required to observe the output parameters are CROs and multimeters. After completion of this lab, the students are able to implement these power electronic conversion devices for doing their final year projects. Control Systems Lab. This is the lab meant for 3rd year first semester BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering students. The main objective of this lab is to illustrate the control of different electrical equipment like AC servo motor, DC servo motor, DC position control system and also to design the compensation circuits, transfer function of armature controlled DC motor and separately excited DC generator. After completion of this lab, students are able to analyze, design and implement these concepts practically. Electrical Measurements Lab. This lab is meant for 3rd year first semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering students. The major equipment of this lab are single phase energy meter of 250 volts 5 ampere rating, dynamometer type power factor meter, Kelvin's double bridge, Sharing and Anderson bridge, LVDT module and LPF watt meter. After completion of this lab, students are able to measure 3-phase reactive power and standardize various PMMC, ammeters, voltmeters and wattmeters. Electrical Machines 1 Lab. This lab is meant for second year, second semester electrical and electronics engineering students. In this lab, the major equipment are DC shunt motors, DC motor generator sets, DC compound motor, single phase transformers. The minor equipment are rheostats, MI and MC ammeters, wattmeters, voltmeters and 3-point starters. After completion of the experiments in this lab, the students are able to assess the performance and determine the efficiency of DC motors and generators. And they will also determine the equivalent circuit parameters, regulation and efficiency of transformers, and they will also do the conversion of 3-phase to single-phase supply using Scott connection of transformers. Electrical Machines 2 Lab. The lab is meant for third year first semester electrical and electronics engineering students. In this lab, the students will perform an experiment on single-phase and 3-phase induction motors, and will also find the speed of 3-phase induction motor and speed control using V/F method. Students will also predetermine the regulation of 3-phase alternator by using various techniques, and will also calculate the reactance of salient pole alternator. Students will determine the efficiency of alternator by loading with 3-phase induction motor. After completion of this lab, the students will able to perform various performance-oriented experiments on AC machines.